Hello, it's Simon, Clement, Tanguy, and Dwayne. We will tell you the colonization of the West Indies, why they use the consequences of slavery, and how the colonized is today. I show you the British colonized in the West Indies in 19th century. The West Indies were separated in two groups of islands, the Leeward Islands and the Windward Island. In Leeward Island, it was Antigua and Barbuda. The Antigua is here, and Barbuda is here. Antigua and Barbuda were colonized by British Empire in 1632 and declared their independence in 1981. The Virgin Islands were colonized by British Empire in 1672, and this island still British. Anguilla, the Anguilla is here. The Anguilla was colonized by British Empire in 1650, and this island self-governing overseas. The Dominica is here. The Dominica was colonized by British Empire in 1763 and declared independence in 1978. The Montserrat is here. The Montserrat was colonized by British Empire in 1632, and this island still British. Saint Kitts and Nevis. Saint Kitts is here, and Nevis is here. Saint Kitts and Nevis was colonized by British Empire in 1713 and took their independence in 1983. In Windward Islands there was Barbados. The Barbados is here. Barbados was colonized by British Empire in 1630s and took their independence in 1966.
The West Indies resources. When West Indies was colonies, made for it generally of the farming, more exactly for sugar and tobacco. Some of these islands contained precious stone, in particular gold. Others were used to trade at Jamaica, which served as market of the slaves. Whether it is handiwork, it was the slaves who made mine farming. Today, in the West Indies, the principal spring of resources is the fishing, even if the farming and the extraction of ores is always practiced there.
In principle, the ending of the terrible of inefficient system of slavery should of production progress, optimism and gratefulness on all fronts. Too many, however, the end of slavery in the Caribbean was a big disappointment. On average, the ex-slave did not become human. Farm no died. They improved their income in status as free plantation workers and many have opened. The abolitionists in Europe and North Africa who had fought gallantly to get slavery abolished were dismayed. The pessimistic prediction of their adversaries about a dramatic decline in plantation output had proved all too real.
Today, the West Indies are the territory of the Dominica Islands. The lowlands are inhabited at last 10,000 years. The West Indies are situated in the Atlantic Ocean. We visit today of their big domain constituted by a homemade distillery of rum or by a typical Creole compartment will become afterward symbolic house of the West Indian heritage. The tradition of West Indies are the music and dance who accompanies in the life. The carnival takes place in February. Also, a lot of color in the parade. In the parade, there is in August the competition. The name of the competition is the Tour of Yule. It's a big event. It's a very big show, not to fail.